warning includes the entire island of Hawaii. A flash flood warning means flash flooding is imminent or occurring in streams, roads, and low-lying areas. Move to higher ground now. Do not cross fast-flowing or rising water in your vehicle or on foot. Turn around, don't drown. Runoff from this storm may also cause rock and mudslides and steep rain. This warning may need to be extended beyond 12:45 p.m. if flash flooding persists.